Oh, 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 oh. And that stands for shut the door. Oh, it's cold. Shut the door. When I show you this side, I want you to say or. When I show you this side, you need to say shut the door. Are you ready? Fantastic work. You're never going to find it amongst all these other cards though. Don't forget to point and shout when you see it. Did you see it? I bet you did. Well done. Have a look at some words. Special friends or sort. Special friends or fork. Special friends or more special friends. Shh or short. Special friends or or snort. Special friends or sport. Special friends or more special friends or horse. Well done. I wonder whether you can thread those in your head. Brilliant job. Can you do them quickly? Fantastic. Let's try some alien words. What a load. Special friends. What a load of nonsense. Special friends. What a load of nonsense. Special friends. Good talk. What a load of nonsense. Now it's time for you to go and get something to write with. Are you ready? How many sounds are in sort? Sort. Can you show me your thread fingers? Well done. If you are showing me 3 thread fingers, can you pinch them on for me? Or sort. Write it down. How do I spell sort? Did you get this? Well done if you got your tick. Well done if you got your or sound. Give yourself a tick. And well done if you got your t. Give yourself a tick. Sort. How many thread fingers do I need for short? Short. Can you show me your thread fingers? Are you showing me 3 thread fingers? Well done. Pinch them on. Shh. Or short. Write it down. How do I spell short? Have you got this? Give yourself a tick if you've got your shh. Give yourself a tick if you've got your or. Give yourself a tick if you've got your t. And just tweak it if you've got it. The last one's really tricky. How many sounds are in horse? How many sounds are in horse? Can you show me your thread fingers? Well done if you are showing me 3 thread fingers. Pinch them on. Horse. Horse. Write it down. How do I spell horse? And remember, I said it was really tricky. Well done if you've got this. Give yourself a tick if you've got your. Well done if you've got your or. And this was the tricky sound. It's S, but it's got an E with it as well. But we don't hear the E. Otherwise it would be horse, E, horsey. And it's not, it's just horse. Well done if you got that. Tweak it if you forgot your E at the end there. Horse, horse. Well done. I wonder if there's any more words with or in them. Maybe you can have a think.